Hello everyone. Before we dive into today's topic, I would like to take a moment and say a big thank you to each one of you who's been supporting Gyan Hub by following its pages, liking its video and sharing it with your friends. Trust me, this really means a lot to us and keeps us motivated to keep creating more valuable content for your learning and career growth. Alright, so today we will be talking about something which most of you have been asking. How much can you really earn after completing your CMA US exam both in India and abroad? So what are we waiting for? Let's break it down. Let's start with India. CMA US certified professionals are in demand especially in Big Four firms, MNCs, startups and global finance team. Here's what you can expect at different stages. For freshers, you can expect a salary range between 4.5 to 6.5 lakhs per annum. Mid-level professionals can expect 6.5 to 10 lakhs per annum. And senior level professionals can expect above 10 lakhs per annum depending upon the job role and company. Some of the important roles that a CMA performs are financial analyst, cost accountant, budgeting and forecasting specialist, and FP&A and many more. Now let's talk global. The IMA Global Salary Survey shows some impressive numbers. United States, the average salary ranges between $90,000 to $1,20,000 per year. Top positions even go up to $1,50,000 per year. Coming to Middle East, it ranges between $35,000 to $70,000 per year. High demand in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. Countries like Canada and Europe, the average salary ranges between $50,000 to $1 lakh depending upon the role and the location. And the best part is that these numbers are increasing as CMA US is gaining a global recognition. So, is it worth it? Well, if you're planning to make a career in finance, management accounting or FP&A, CMA US is a solid investment. Trust me, you can complete this course within a span of 9 to 12 months and the ROI is massive with the right guidance. Even in India, companies like Accenture, Deloitte, Genpact, EY, Amazon are hiring CMAs. With the right experience, it is possible to hit 8-figure salary, that too globally. If you want to know more about how to start your CMA US journey, how to clear both the paths, or what should be the right study plan for your CMA US preparation, Gyan Hub is here to help you. With expert mentors, right practical study plan and full support till you crack it. Reply CMA in the comments to receive free counseling session and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more career focused content. Take care and wish you all the best.